Welcome back to NAB Show Live. I'm Tess Protesto, bringing you content from South Hall Lower. We are at one of the most exciting booths at NAB, the Adobe booth. I'm here with Kyle, the Senior Director of Product Marketing. How's your first day of the show been?
It's been awesome. Thanks for coming to visit the Adobe booth today. We have a lot of exciting things to talk about.
Yeah, what are some of the latest innovations that Adobe's bringing to the show this year?
So we have a ton of innovation going on for professional video editors across Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Frame.io. In more specific terms, Adobe Premiere Pro, we're adding AI-enabled audio workflows. Those are in beta right now, helping editors get easier access to the audio tools that they need based on the clips that they have in their timeline. We have After Effects supporting 3D directly inside of After Effects, so you can make it a lot easier to work with your 3D models coming out of 3D tools directly in After Effects. And then Frame.io you might have known as a video review and approval tool. We've just launched the V4 beta, and with Frame.io V4, we're actually transforming Frame.io into the creative management platform. What that really means is we're bringing a new metadata-driven collection system to help you create smart shares and dynamic workflows based off of the metadata on the files you're bringing into the product.
That's very interesting. So you guys are getting on the AI train. How has that experience been for your company?
It's been very exciting for Adobe overall. As you might know, Adobe released Firefly just over a year ago, and so our first iteration of the Firefly models have been for images. We've had over 6 billion generations of images out of Photoshop in the Firefly image model, and we've had a lot of great reception to that. And as you can imagine, we're thinking about what are the creative disciplines we're going to serve next. Obviously, there's a lot of interest in video. We're thinking and working hard at that. More news to come there. But you know, if you take a step back and look at Premiere Pro today, there are a lot of AI-enabled workflows in Premiere Pro. Things like enhanced speech to clean up dialogue. So you and I are doing an interview right now, but we've got some folks over there making some noise. If we were to play this back and edit it in Premiere, we could actually enhance our dialogue to make it stand out. We have things like auto-ducking to update music and sound levels. There's a lot of AI that's in Premiere already, text-based editing, and you know, we're only looking to innovate further and really help professionals accelerate their workflows inside of Premiere Pro.
Okay. If you could pick one feature or one product that Adobe's showcasing at NAB this year that you think is either most exciting to attendees or most exciting to you, could you pick just one?
I will, and it's personal to me. So I have been on the Frame.io team for 7 years.
Wow.
Yeah, so early employee back in 2016. And today with V4, it's the culmination of 3 years of hard work, completely reimagining the platform. And it feels so intuitive. I'd ask you to go over and take a look. The design aesthetics, the fluidity of the platform, the doors that we're going to open for people in terms of their workflows, from ideation to handoff, it's really, truly compelling, and I'd hope everybody comes and check it out. One more, just to plug.
Yeah.
If you really have to try enhanced speech. It's one of those things that once you use it, you're like, oh my God, I'm going to use this on all of my videos. So I'd really ask you to check out the Premiere Pro booth inside of the Adobe section here today.
And where can people learn more about Adobe?
Go to adobe.com and we have pages. You can easily navigate to one of our video pages. We have what's new. You'll see all the updates to Premiere Pro, to Frame.io, and more.
Thank you so much, Kyle. I appreciate the interview with you today.